Now tell me, Gaucelm, Faidit, which one is better for a good lady? When she has a husband who's noble and joyful, and she wants to take a chosen lover, and two knights, noble and gracious, have set their intentions on her, and one is the mortal enemy of the husband, the other his close friend. Each does for her all he can. Choose which one she should best keep. Lord Rainbow, from this divided game, take the worst and I leave you the dirty one. For I speak by right, and I don't swerve. The noble enemy of the husband, the lady, if she has worthy merit, should keep, and the other I forbid her. For you say he's a close friend of the husband, and I say he's false toward him and toward her. So the lady must not have him, nor want him. Also, you've greatly failed, for you say she should embrace and kiss him, who from war and strife wants to hold her husband in shame. So much he intends it, so much more should she love by 100 times the friend who is more natural. And for hers toward the husband such that he'd put his body and his goods to do all her other pleasure. Lord Rainbow, a lady of perfect worth, should not lower herself with such a lover. For the other one makes many good attempts, and if it's known or heard, yesterday honors. For from wrongdoing both guard themselves completely, and the other is false, venal love, a hidden and evil love, and you must not defend it, for no good can come from it. Gaucelm! It would be badly settled if the friend who never in any day pulled back from doing everything that suits his lady, and makes her many gifts and many feasts, rather found no mercy, while the other who kills his people and chases them to the gates, and never loved him for anything else than for war and for ruining. Therefore the friend should better lie with her. Lord Rainbow, it never pleased me that toward a good lady should rush to lie with her such a vile lover, who thus has betrayed his friend, and the lady him as well betrays, if she consents to it. For no good day can come of it, and it's not the main point of loving. For more it's worth, and more it must be worth, and whatever you say, I speak truth. Whoa! Gaucelm, the friend commits no wrong if to his lady he is loyal, and it's a seed in wrong and evil if the lady doesn't do his pleasure, since everything he wants she knows to want. Lord Rainbow, from your argument you're beaten, you and your false friend. For every loyal judge will say, if he wants to maintain right, that you fail, and I speak truth. Hey! Whoa! Hey!